RT-722C Capillary Rheometer. This rheometer is a computer-controlled intelligent capillary rheometer. The capillary rheometer is suitable for use in meeting the requirements of ISO 11443, determination of the flowability of plastics by capillary and slit rheometry. 5 test methods are arbitrarily selected. The maximum temperature is 400 degrees Celsius. For kinds of dyes accept customization. Maximum pressure up to 10 kN. It can measure the change of shear viscosity of polymer materials at different shear rates and plot the test curve. Print test report. Move away furnace design. Electric auxiliary cleaning device. Easy to clean up residual materials. Can be cleared quickly. Wireless remote control indenter. Move up and down. Convenient and fast. Welcome to computer-controlled capillary rheometer.